Why pay for expensive PDF software when you can convert any PDF into an editable Word document for free? This online tool makes the entire process fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. To get started, open any browser and search for ilovepdf.com. Open the website and you'll find a complete collection of PDF tools designed to make working with documents much easier. The platform offers dozens of useful tools, including Merge PDF, Split PDF, Compress PDF, PDF to JPG, JPG to PDF, PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel, Word to PDF, PDF Repair, and many more. From the available tools, simply select PDF to Word to begin the conversion process. Now click on the Select PDF File button, which appears inside the red box, and choose the PDF document you want to convert from your device. Once your file is uploaded, simply click on the Convert to Word button. The tool will immediately start processing your document and convert it into an editable Microsoft Word file. Within a few seconds, the conversion will be complete while preserving the original formatting, fonts, images, tables, spacing, and overall document layout as accurately as possible. After the process finishes, you'll see the Download Word button. Simply click on it to save the converted .docx file directly to your device. You can open the Word file immediately to verify that everything has been converted correctly. Since the document is now editable, you can modify the text, update images, add new content, or make any other changes you need. This method is perfect for editing contracts, resumes, assignments, business reports, invoices, research papers, notes, and other PDF documents without retyping everything from scratch. The best part is that everything works directly from your browser, so you don't need to install Microsoft Office plugins, Adobe Acrobat, or any expensive software. Now you can convert PDFs into fully editable Word documents anytime, anywhere, completely free and in just a few clicks.